Hi, this is Lynn from Kathy Quilts, and today I want to talk to you about Kathy Quilts University. This is a project that we've been working on for a long time, and we're getting really close to being able to roll it out. What it is we want to be able to help you to be able to learn more quilting skills. We'd like to help you to be confident in your quilting. We want to help you so that any quilt that you get, you could look at it and turn it into something very beautiful. We understand that not everybody's going to be a professional quilter, but all professional quilters started somewhere. A lot of them took a lot of classes, but what they did was they did a lot of practicing. So what we want to do is we want to give you the tools that you need so that you'll be able to take your quilting to whatever level you would like. In the description, I'll have links that will show you the classes that we are proposing. We have videos that already cover much of the classes that we would like to do. So we are setting those up so that if you subscribe, then you'll be able to watch those as well. We'll still have our other classes or videos on YouTube, but the classes will be a little bit different because they'll be a little more targeted. So if you have any ideas for us, we'd love it if you'd leave comments so that we can make a huge impact on the quilting industry. We really hate it when people go and buy a quilting frame or buy a system and all they have is frustration. I can't tell you the number of times people said, I'd like to just throw it away, throw it out the door. Well, that's because they didn't get the coaching and the help they needed. So now we want to be that help. So we're really excited to be able to help any way we can. And thank you for watching.